Hello again, this is Ray from Land Vista Aquascapes. We are starting our first build of the 2022 season. Let me flip you around, I don't know if I can figure out how to flip around. Yeah. So we got a little pond, we got it marked out, like 8 by 11, 7 by 10 in that area. Just the one little fall in the back is going to kind of go that way and then drop in. So viewing area, we got a fire pit right here, and then the back of the house, the whole back of the house, we'll have views of this thing. That's going to be it right in there. All right, stay tuned. Good afternoon, this is Ray from Land Vista Aquascapes. We are at the end of day 2 of our first pond install of the 2022 season. Let me flip you around and show you what we have going on. So this is the view from their back patio, which I imagine they hang out up here a lot. So they were already, this was not running yesterday when we got here, this little self-contained urn water feature, which is pretty cool. So they were already living with a water feature, but we upgraded them just a bit. So let me get you in close and let me show you what we did. So a little 7 by 10 ecosystem, which I wish was clearer for you, but our gravel just comes off so dirty. We rinse and rinse and rinse, but we just couldn't get it clean. So this is what we got. Cool little natural waterfall. Coming over top of this branch here that we laid across to hide the side of the biofalls and give us a spill. So we have this nice little stream coming out of it with a turn. I mean, and this light tucked down in here is already dancing through the water, and it's shining up through that log, across all that, and up into the canopy of the tree above. So it is going to dance at night. Well, that is it. That is the finished pond. All those things you're supposed to do with one of these videos, what, like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell so you know when we put them out, all that fun stuff that Alex usually tells you. But just take a look at that. I mean, it doesn't get much more natural. All right, thanks for watching.